In this video, we are going to talk about the WebPaint extension that you can add to Chrome and use to mark up or annotate on a website and use that with students during a lesson. So the first thing that you want to do is navigate to the Chrome Web Store. And once you get to the store, you want to search extensions. So you're going to type in WebPaint. And it looks like this, WebPaint. Click on it. And yours would say add to Chrome right here. I already have it added, so I'm not going to click the button. Once your extension is added, it will live over here with any other extensions you may have added right next to your profile picture. So when you click on the little puzzle piece, you will see your list of extensions. Now, notice I got this message that has been disabled in Chrome, so we are going to enable this item. You can either click here, or the other option you have is to click on Manage Extensions. And this is where you can turn on or off any extensions that you may have added. So I'm going to find the WebPaint, and I'm just going to toggle it on so that I can use it. I'm going to navigate to the web page that I want to be able to annotate on. I'm going to go back to my extensions and find WebPaint. If it's one that you use often, notice this little pin. If you click the pin, it will add it to your toolbar up here, so you don't have to go through your list of extensions every time. So that's helpful if it's something that you plan on using frequently or that you find that you are using frequently. So once you click on the extension, that little icon for WebPaint, the toolbar will show up. And so you have a variety of options. You can write. This is like a color picker. You've text. You can do lines, arrows, curved lines. You've got objects and shapes. That gives you your pointer back. You have an eraser. You can fill. There you can go to settings. You can also change your color by clicking on the color. You can change the transparency. So want it fully up. If you were going to be, say, writing on something, you can also change the size. But one neat tip is if you want to use it as a highlighter, you want the size up and decrease the transparency. And then if I want to highlight on items, I would then be able to highlight. Notice you do have an undo and a redo button. You can trash it if you don't need to keep it. You can also screenshot it in order to be able to save it and use it later if it's something that you want to be able to refer back to. If you want to quit, it's this option. And then this just closes the control panel. And then when you click back on it, notice I still have that highlighter that I was using. If I want the toolbar back, I just go back and click on the little extension image in order to be able to mark up whatever web page that I am using in order to share content with my students. I hope you found this video useful, and you were able to apply it to your classroom.